how to streamline workflow by using program automation with responders using tasks.
So starting from the left navigation menu, you'll select Responders. When selected, you will be presented with the Responders page. Now, Responders, again, allow you to send messages, tasks, and resource suggestions to your contacts automatically on a schedule you choose. From here, you would select Add Responder. For this demo, we are going to complete and work through a completed series of responders. So again, from here, you would select Add Responder. The responder page opens. The page allows you to title the responder, select whether it will be sent to all contacts or to a particular business unit group. Now, to learn more about setting up your business unit, see the tutorial titled Adding Business Units. Once selected, choose Save. Task will show up on the client's homepage screen under the upcoming task and appointments. We'll simply add a task, give it a name, then the message, and the day that you want to send this task or the task to be sent on, and then note the ability to send the day that you want this task to be completed by. Let's show you a completed one. Here is the name. Here is the place where you can add the message or instructions, the day we want the task to be sent on, and then the day we want the task to be completed on. And again, note the ability to add brandable attachments from your computer as well as from the resource page. In addition, you have the ability here to add a series of questions, creating deeper discovery or client agreement or contract terms, using this as an e-signing document or self-discovery or an onboarding opportunity to engage your contact, as well as an area where you can use as a form to gather information for upcoming needs or events or subscriptions to. Once you've completed your questions, you can rearrange your questions, you can add more questions, you can delete questions. Having this pre-filled box here does not display, but once you've completed the task, you can simply just select Save. Here is what tasks and brandable attachments look like from the client side. So from the home page, underneath the upcoming task and appointments, you have several tasks that were due and the date has passed. And when the date has passed, the task due date will turn to red. Here you can see this is the name of the task, the message for the task, and then the attachment of the task, and then a question, which is to e-sign. And then below the question that was closed in this question field, here is where the contact will e-sign or offer or answer the question for what the task is being asked for. And then they will complete. Once they complete it, you will receive a notification letting you know that it has been finished. As you can see, the ability to what you can do with tasks are limitless. The amount of questions, self-discovery you can offer creates opportunity. You can attach and layer ongoing resources within a task to create engagement.
Having those hard deadlines, I always think back to the quote on how do you eat an elephant?
Yeah.
One bite at a
One
time.
bite at a time.
You can promote your podcast and provide the link to where it's being streamed at online with some thoughtful consideration of questions. You can create a wonderful amount of learning opportunity with the video modulations through a video series with thoughtful consideration and questions to indicate completion. And as you can see, there is a wonderful amount of things that you can do with tasks. And so to learn more about tasks and how you can use them, see the tutorial titled, How to Plan, Manage, and Track Tasks.
Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials on how you can set up your successful LyfQuest platform.